Hi friends, in the last session we have started that important functions of set. Okay, we have started that important functions of set. So so first we have to go for what is the important functions of set just for 1 minute, and then let's we go for remaining concepts. Okay, so first observe important functions of set means already set is a data structure. If you want to represent a group of objects as a single entity, then we should go for set data structure. But there are some difference with respect to tuple and list. Okay, anyway, set is mutable. Okay, we can add the element, but we cannot show insertion order. Okay, insertion order is we are not sure, right? So first observe here, when set is mutable, so first function is add function. Add function is going to add x items to the set. So this is the way. And the second one is update function. Update function means it's going to add multiple items to the set. Then we should go for update function. How we can use update function means taking one set, taking one list, and s dot update of this is the one. So by using print s, we are printing the elements. That means here elements all are updating. Okay, that means here elements all are updating. Okay, so the third function is a copy function. Copy function means it's going to create duplicate copy of an existing object. It's going to create duplicate copy of an existing object exactly. Okay, this is the syntax. And next function is nothing but pop function. Pop function is nothing but it removes and returns the random element from the set. Okay, it removes and returns some random element from the set. This is nothing but last functions what we discussed as part of set important functions. Okay, today we are going to discuss about next functions, that is nothing but remove function. First function is nothing but remove function. Remove of x, remove function. Okay, nothing but remove function. Clear, right? So what is remove function means it removes the specified element from the set. Okay, first point, it removes specified element from the set. Okay, it removes the specified element from the set. Next, if the specified element not present, then set present in not if if the specified element not present in the set, then we will get a key error. Okay, that means if the specified element not present, if the specified element not present in the set, then we'll get a then we will get a key error. If the specified element is not present in the set, then we'll get a key error. Okay, so first observe one example. Okay, first observe the example. Here what I am taking means I am taking one set. I'm taking one set. On the set what I am doing means s dot remove. Okay, s dot remove. S dot remove of 30. Okay, I'm trying to remove the element set 30 from the set. Okay, I'm trying to remove the element from the set. Next, I'm doing print of yes. Okay, I'm doing print of yes. So normally remove what will do, it removes a specified element from the set. If the specified element not present in the set, then we'll get a key error. Okay, so this is the one 30. Okay, 30 is there, so 30 will be removed. Okay, after removal of 30, after removal of 30. after removal of 30. S dot remove of start remove of next what I'm doing means 100. Okay, 100 means observe here 100 is available in the set or not. Okay, make sure 100 is not available in the not in the set. Okay, when it is not available in the set, it is going to give error. Clear? After removal of 100, observe here in this case we are going to get a error. Okay, in this case we are going to get a error. Okay, that means execution will stop here only, it will not come to here. Okay, execution will stop here only, it will not come to here. Okay, observe the scene. If you observe here, after removal of 30, 30 gone. Okay, after removal of 30, 30 gone. And if you're trying to remove the 100, so 100 is not available in the set. So that's why it is giving error as a key error. Okay, it is giving error as a key error. Clear? Six. Next, next function discard. Okay, next function is nothing but a discard function. The next function is nothing but what? A discard function. It also removes the specified element from the set. If the specified element not present in the set. Okay, the same example we observed in the remove function, the same is for discard also, but in the remove function we are getting error, but here we are not getting error. Here we are not getting error. Okay, observe here. What I'm doing means discard. Okay, here discard. Here also I'm taking discard. Okay, observe here I'm taking set on the remove function where I used the same information I'm using for the set discard also, but changed the function name. So the behavior will same, but here we won't get any error. Okay, we won't get any error. Observe here, after removal of 100 means 30 means this is the one. So after removal 100 means 100 not there, so it is not giving any error. Okay, this is just the small difference when compared to discard and remove. Okay, when compared to remove and discard. If the specified element it removes the specified element from the set. If the specified element not present in the set, then we won't get any error. We won't we won't get any error. Get any error. No error. Okay, this is nothing but discard function. Okay, this is nothing but what? Discard function. Next, next nothing but a clear function. Okay, next function is nothing but what? A clear function. Next function is nothing but a clear function. So clear function is nothing but it is going to remove all element. I mean it is going to clear all elements. Okay, it is going to remove or clear all elements from the set. Okay, first observe here I'm printing the set. Just first I'm printing the set. Next what I'm doing means s dot clear. S dot clear. Next what I'm doing means print of s. Print of s. Okay, print of s. So this is the first set what we are taking. This is the set first what we are taking. Next, after removing the elements from the set, this is nothing but clear function. So this is nothing but what a clear function. Okay, clear function is going to clear or remove all elements from the set. It 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 is going to it is going to remove or clear all elements from the set. It's going to remove or clear all elements from the set. Okay, so this is nothing but what a clear function. So now what we discussed, remove function, discard function, and clear function. When compared to starting, first what I have explained, add function and update function. Okay, in the starting what I have explained, add function and update function. Okay, with respect to add function and update function, my question is, what is the difference between add method and add function and update function in a set? Okay, based on that two comparison, my question is, what is the difference? Okay, what is the difference between what's the difference between add function and update function? Add function and update function in set. Okay, add function and update function in a set. So answer. So what is the difference between add function and update function in set? We can use add method to add individual items to the set. Okay, first point is, we can add we can use, okay, we can use add function and use add to add multiple. Okay, we can use add function to add multiple items to the set. Where we can use, where update function we can use multiple items to the set. We can use update function. We can use update function to add, where update function we can use to add, sorry, add individual items, individual individual items to the set. We can use update function to add, we can use update function to add multiple items to the set. So we can use the update function to add multiple items to the set. Next, add function can take only one argument. Okay, add function can take only one argument. Okay, add function can take only one argument, where update function can take multiple arguments, can take any number of arguments, can take any number of arguments, but all arguments should be of iterable objects. Any number of arguments, but all arguments should be of iterable objects, but all objects should be of iterable objects. Add function can take only one argument. Update function can take any number of arguments, but all arguments should be of iterable objects. Okay, so this is nothing but what, add function and update function. Okay, this is nothing but what, add function and update function. Observe here one more time what I'm explaining. What is the difference between add function and update function. Add function and update function in set means we can use add function to add individual items. Okay, where update function to add multiple items to the set. Add function can take only one argument, where update function can take any number of arguments, but all arguments should be of iterable objects. Okay, make sure update function take any number of arguments, but all arguments should be of iterable objects. Otherwise, it will give error. Okay, otherwise it will give error. Clear? So once when you are learning something, just try to learn the differences also when with respect to near to this, so that you will get much clarity. Okay, so thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you are having any questions or queries, please post your query in the comment section or reach out to my email ID in the given description. Thank you friends, thanks for watching this video.